How to increase conversion rate on Shopify? Well, this is very important question, as well as this is very important for everyone who just run their own Shopify store. The very first thing is that focus on your compelling offer to drive sales and marketing. Right, so on the left side, you'll see there's a lot of features. Just go to the discount. Right, make sure that you use the discount feature. Just go and create a lot of discount for your customers, as well as just use the email marketing to send them. Right, utilize upsell and bundles to increase average order value. Right, so this is a greatest way, and in fact the biggest stores, the biggest e-commerce space for such as Amazon use this a lot. Whenever you just go and buy any of the product, of course they are going to sell you some of the more product. This is what I mean by upsell. So for example, if you're selling one of the product here and you have added to the cart, or maybe you just want to explore more, and here this is upsell. Right, so as you can see here, this is the cover of the phone, this is a glass panel, safety panel of the phone, and you can just add all the card at whatever the price it is. So this is called upsell. The third thing is handle objection effectively throughout reviews and comment. Right, so make sure whatever the reviews you're getting, for example this is a review, just go and open your tab review and just make sure, for example I can just go here, check my product, and I can see the reviews and everything. Right, so I can just better utilize, and I can improve my products depending upon the review that what my customers need. Right, store design is less critical than effective pricing strategy. Of course it is. Of course you need to work on both the aspects, I think so. You can just work on your store, so it's all dependent upon how your store look. Right, for example this is my clothing, this is the streetwear, right, this is casual streetwear in fact, and as you can see here my store is pretty clean. If there's a single product, then you have to design accordingly that. Use apps like intelligence A/B testing for data driven decision. So of course you can just go to my Shopify here, and you can just go to the apps and sales channel and Shopify app store, and you will get a lot of features which help you know that what your customer is trying to buy. Right, and these are the few things which is very important, as well as this is very basics. Of course there's a no secret that you can just get a lot of sales in a single night. Of course you have to work on day and night, and eventually you will get a lot of order. Right, and these are the few things. I hope you found this video very useful and get to know that how you can increase your conversion rate on Shopify. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.